All right, guys, so we just got these 2 walls up for this bathroom here. And one thing when you're just learning how to frame, I feel like you forget or you don't pay attention to drywall points. You gotta think about this. So stuff like this. So here, I'll have to add a board behind here. That'll stick out on this side to catch the drywall here. So it'll have something to back up to and screw into. So we'll need to add one here. And then what else do we need to do? So our strapping, how we landed on the ceiling here, obviously this way is okay, right there. But this wall here, now on this corner, has nowhere to screw drywall through. So we're gonna put one all the way down to this joist here, the ceiling joist. And then on the inside of the bathroom, we'll add another one here. And this ends just shy of this rafter. So we're going to just set it on top of the rafter and nail it in. And then we'll have a nice spot there. Let's go into corners now. And if you framed this out like this, so I originally made this mistake on my first one, and I boxed the corner in and I was like, perfect. I have somewhere to nail to here, or screw to here, screw to here, and there was just a void in there. I want to not have a void happen. So what we're gonna do, okay, we got that nail out of the way. And we're gonna get our board back in there and see how that sits. It's gonna give you a screw spot there. And now you could screw this in, and if you nail it in and you just hold it here, it'll probably go loose on you. So what I like to do is just take a couple extra seconds and throw a clamp on here. Look at that, nice secure corner. And this, guys, that's a California corner, ready for drywall. I'm gonna do it on the same thing over there, and then eventually we'll have to do it on this. So the bottom plate for our door here, we don't really need it in. You could leave it in. We're just gonna pull it out right now. And so I just got the rest of the sheathing up there on the above the header and the side there. I'm just gonna do this real fast, little strip, 11 1/4, and I put the one sheet up here so that window's all locked in. Once I get this side all sheathed, then I will tape the top of the sides and tape in the corners here. So let's get it.